Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Wizard of Oz. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a testing tool. It got the following characteristic. It is used to test products or services in a very meticulous ways. It is noted the interaction of a potential user with the object without disclosing the presence of the person who evaluates the action. Simulate the interaction with a machine with voice commands. In the team, one person will be playing the machine, must be behind a curtain or any other element that allows you to hide, and you must pretend that you are a machine with which a user can talk. To develop the action will serve to go making decisions about how the real experience should be. This technique was first used by IBM to simulate, among other things, the interactions with machines at airports. Well, the Wizard of Oz is a very popular tool nowadays because it basically allows to understand the questions and the things that a person wants to know about a product or a service, especially for example for chatbot is extremely helpful, also for interfaces, for different kind of development. The Wizard of Oz is a very interesting tool. Before we start explaining, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. Turn on the bell, give us a like, comment our content, share it. If you want to support us, that will be amazing. Okay, so like I was telling you, the Wizard of Oz is basically a simulation of the interaction that it could happen between a person and a machine. So the first thing that you need to know is what is the objective. You want to test, evaluate, or check what? An interaction, you want to check a customer service. What do you want to know? So with that, you write the objective and you have everything very clear and in your mind. Then you develop a script. The script is extremely important because that could think what are the possible questions that the user could have. In that thing, you have to be very specific, you have to be descriptive and write everything step by step and write everything with a lot of detail. When you already have that, you go to the third step, which is the simulation. For the simulation, of course, you need to make all the adaptations, all the resources and forms. So if you want to put the quarantine, if you want to simulate the computer, the interface, or whatever you are testing, you need to keep everything in mind. And then and finally you start testing. You ask the people, could be at least a focus group of 10, maybe more. And with that you see if you need to reset the project or you need to make adjustments, or if it's really really good you have to continue. However, it's very important to keep in mind that in many of these cases it's extremely important that you understand all the context. You can use Mag Wizard of Oz many times, as much as you want and you need, until you get the result that you are looking for. If you can find that result, you need to retest, especially the simulation and of course the results. And in some cases, you will need to update the script if you are putting things that they were not over there. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the use of this tool, it must be taking decision if the prototype is ready to go or it needs adjustment. It is important to understand that this tool should be used in prototyping situations and evaluate, and there should be time, enough time to make all the adjustment. It must be run with different users and compare the results. That is very important as well, and almost forgot that because you need to keep that in mind. If you have a good result, you need to test it many times until you validate all the information that you got. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available. You can find the link in the description of this video. Thank you and see you next time.